I think my wife finally just took out some. 1 second. Because I always have Amy take out everything every time she can. Because I was always expecting it to shut down. Activity. Your account has limited access. You can't use PayPal anymore. I just got kicked off PayPal. Any bank or credit card information linked to your PayPal account cannot be removed, nor can it be used to create a new account. You can still log in to see your account information, but you can't send or receive money. Any money in your balance will be held for 180 days, which after will send you an email. Yeah, I just got kicked off PayPal. Okay. Fine. Unauthorized.tv. Please sign up now if you want to support me, because I just lost all my supporters on PayPal.